You can see I'm in my library right here. And first of all, you can send an invite to anybody, really. You do not have to have an iOS device or an Android device. We're only on iOS, but anyone can sign up to the website, and we have all the features that we have on the app and then some. You can upload video right here, so easily to upload a match, a practice session, whatever you want from your local drive, Dropbox, or Google Drive, and then it loads into your library. Now I'm going to show you how to annotate a match. So here we go right here. We go to stroke match analysis. It downloads it. It's giving us access to the camera and the microphone. Right now you can see that they're tags that somebody sent us. So we can look at various tags, little areas in the match that somebody wants us to analyze. So if we go to stroke match analysis right here, we can start off, let's say we want to start off with a voice record, or we can do an annotation scroll and we can switch back and forth, no problem. But we'll start with the record your voice and any speed. And so here we go. I'm going to pick 50% half speed, and we're going to basically look at the tag first. And we're going to go to the first tag, which is 2 to 7 seconds that somebody wants us to analyze. I'm hitting the play that. And so you can see right here, it's on 2 seconds, and this red is a 7. Now we can record past that if we want to, but we'll record to that period. We're gonna record autoplay at half speed, and here it is right here. It's getting ready to serve, and we can see it even half speed. He's a little bit late, and he hits a little bit short right there, okay? And we can see right here, okay, he hits the red tab, which shows us, okay, there's another tag. That's what he wanted us to analyze. And I'm just doing this for demo. And let's go to the second tag, and I'm going to show you a different way to analyze, but we can start off right there. So we could actually resume recording, and you can see right now I'm at 9 seconds, and it's going to 15 seconds. So let's say I'm going to record that at 75% speed. And that was 9 to 15 seconds, I think it was. And so we're looking, I'm just giving you an example. So we can record that. And then if we want to annotate it, actually we can go drawing and annotate. And then we can go back to the 9 second, and we can record over that and draw over it basically. So now I'm resuming recording, and I use this slider down here. And it shows you exactly, we can draw through it, and we can annotate this if we wanted to and draw on it. And we can see right here that he doesn't really step his left foot forward, but he's got a pretty nice forehand. And you can see right there, he's kind of pushing from right to left and not going forward. So he's hitting a little bit late. And then we can erase it and then move on and annotate to the red right here. Now, to finish this recording, just to show you, and it'll process. And so it's pretty simple to do. You can annotate a whole match that way. So here you can see the clip is being processed, and there it's processed, and it's ready to share it down here. The clip is ready to be shared, Facebook, Twitter, or you can email it, or you can put it in a lesson space.